Assuming India wins, should Rohit Sharma retire from cricket?
थोड़ा डर तो है। आपका जो डर था ना ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया से पहले, मेरे को थोड़ा डर तो था कि अब न्यूजीलैंड जो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में है, ये ना 2 बारी मार एक ही गड्ढे में गिरने वाली टीम नहीं है भाई। ये होमवर्क करके आएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ होमवर्क करके आएंगे पक्का।
I want to actually go back and see Santner's bowling. I feel like he held back. He didn't reveal all his tricks because it was a dead rubber kind of game.
Okay, Shashank is now the first caller who's joining us. Shashank, मेरे साथ of course अमितोज सिंह है, ये पुराने पापी हैं। शशांक मेरे भाई is a cricket journalist from Nepal. Am I right, शशांक?
Yes.
क्या बात है भाई साहब। आप लोगों की टीम वहाँ पे नेपाल क्रिकेट लीग हुई थी। मतलब क्रिकेट काफी बढ़ रहा है वहाँ पे नेपाल में। हाँ,
Yeah, Nepal Premier League. We had Nepal Premier League, and Jimmy Neesham, Shikhar Dhawan was here, Sohail Tanvir was here,
हाँ, वो उसको आप क्या
and
डांस करवा रहे थे? वो उसने स्टेज पे एंड में डांस क्या किया है उसमें?
Jimmy Neesham ne.
हाँ,
So I was also with the team, Janakpur Bulls. I was working with them. So after winning the final, we went to LOD, which comes in top 50 clubs around the world.
तो did you play that song लगाबेलू लिपस्टिक?
Yeah. We accidentally played.
Okay, Shashank, my brother, thank you so much for joining us. Much love
Sure.
to you. Any
My
questions
pleasure,
you
my
have on the
pleasure.
final India versus New Zealand, please fire away.
So my question is, so I'm a big fan of Rohit Sharma, no doubt. Rohit Sharma and Indian cricket team, and IPL. I've been a big fan of Mumbai Indians. So my question is, so we have not seen a big run from Rohit Sharma so far in the tournament. So in the finals, should he continue attacking in the power play? Should he continue his usual approach which he has got into after the 2023 World Cup, or should he give him some time to score a big? Because in the big finals, you always need your captain to score big runs. So, what approach should Rohit Sharma play in the finals?
Adi?
Okay, I would see this question is a bit mute, or should we say moot? and I say this only because he's not listening to us. He's not listening to anyone.
तो शो बंद कर दें हम फिर?
But the occasion calls for that kind of consideration, and that was part of the question. His question said it's a final, and therefore should he change his approach? And the thing is that Gautam Gambhir's press conference indicated what's going to happen. His press conference, as always, Gauti being Gauti, he said impact, right? He said it doesn't matter if this is a guy who is not getting us a lot of runs in an innings consecutively. It's about the impact, the attitude that he's filtering into the entire culture of the system, and that is what matters. I think that if I can predict what's going to happen, and I think what I think he should do is tone it down from 9 to 8. 9 on 10, if he's going at 9 ki speed on 10, or if he's going at 80 kilometers per hour, just bring it down to 70.
But
Just,
why
I'll
would you want him
I'll
to
tell
do
you why.
that?
Because
Why
then
would you
what
want him
he's
to do
doing,
that?
he did that. He did that when he got his 100. When he
No,
was
but
out of form.
why? I could understand if the others after him are not firing. Everyone's firing after him. So give the license to one guy to go all guns blazing, bhai.
So again, his 70 is everyone's 110. Understand
Yes,
that.
agreed,
Right?
agreed.
So when I say bring it down from a strike rate of 120 to 110, and that too for the first 6 overs, that I think is a consideration that's important. Just play slightly more carefully, because there are two dangers in the New Zealand lineup, right? And it's basically the two pacers. Matt Henry particularly, he got 5 wickets for us against us in the last game, and the second guy is Michael Santner. I think that you just have to play out these two guys, and you're going to be very comfortable.
Yeah, Shashank, to answer your question, my brother, because when you came in with your question, and it's pretty evident you're a Rohit Sharma fan. So from an individual perspective, you want him to go on and get those big daddy hundreds. And I kind of agree with my dear friend in the green t-shirt over here that his 110 is other people's 70 and so on and so forth. Or his 70 is the other people's 110 in that sense. But if you look at it from the team's perspective, in a team where Shreyas is firing, Virat is firing, Hardik is firing, KL is firing, everyone's playing to their role perfection in a sense. Gill is not firing, but Gill is doing fine. I don't think he's in a bad shape or something. He's had a decent tournament. He's not had a bad tournament in that sense. The point is what it does then, the impact that he gives right at the beginning, and you put pressure on the, the bowling side by batting the way he's batting, is that you suddenly perspective and the bowling team's captain's perspective, you suddenly ask them to halt their plans. You suddenly force them to change their plans because suddenly this guy's come to you in those first 10 overs and he's batting and he's batting and he's coming at you. And so you're going at a run rate of 7, going at a run rate of 8. So basically in that semi-final as well, even if you went impact, the reason was that after that, even though the runs that you were chasing were not that much, it was about 250 odd. Supposing, assuming 260, 270, up to 80 chase kar rahe hote, and this guy would have gone impact, then you're kind of setting up the platform for someone like a Virat, for someone like a Shreyas to come and play their natural game. And their natural game being single, singles, doubles, 4, double, single, single, 4, single, single, double, 4, go until the 41st, 42nd over. So I think from a team's perspective, they are pretty clear, bhai. Since 2023, they are pretty clear that is the role that Rohit Sharma is going to adopt for the Indian team. And if that means that sacrificing those big daddy hundreds, we saw a glimpse of versus England in the series before the Champions Trophy, then I think it's something they've come together and they're saying it's fine. It's perfectly fine. He's at the fag end of his career as well. He'd rather walk away with a trophy than those big runs, I feel.
Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney, chutney. Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney, chutney.
क्या भाई, क्या इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है? मैं नहीं समझा. मतलब वो बहुत मारता है न्यूजीलैंड को? Is that what we're trying to say?
I think so, but also that there's a South Indian touch to Shreyas Iyer, even though he's a Mumbai boy. I remember sitting in the stand, there was another guy with me who keh raha tha, when Shreyas was batting, he's a Tambram or something, and because he's a Tambram, he's intellectually just on a different level and all.
चपेड़ मारना था वहीं मुंह पे.
But I'm a non-violent person, so I did not. But anyway,
don't lie right now. Don't lie. Let's move on. So now joining us on the show is Shardul from Pune. Shardul, मेरे भाई, India versus New Zealand final Champions Trophy का जो अभी 2-3 दिन पहले हमने देखा, वही हाल दिखने वाला है कि आपको लग रहा है थोड़ा अलग किस्म का मुकाबला होने वाला है मेरे भाई?
नहीं भैया, वन साइडेड तो नहीं होगा ये फाइनल, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. थोड़ा तो टफ जाएगा इंडिया के लिए.
थोड़ा सा टफ मतलब क्या? कि मतलब विराट नहीं चलेगा, आप कह रहे हो?
नहीं, विराट ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, पर न्यूजीलैंड विल गो हार्ड टू अस, आई थिंक.
ये बात तो है.
दे हैवंट वन एनी आईसीसी टाइटल.
आपकी आवाज कट रही है मेरे भाई. शार्दुल, थोड़ा टफ. आई थिंक उनका इंटरनेट भी चले गया है. थोड़ा डर तो है. आपका जो डर था ना ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया से पहले, मेरे को थोड़ा डर तो था कि अब न्यूजीलैंड जो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में है, ये ना 2 बारी मार एक ही गड्ढे में गिरने वाली टीम नहीं है भाई. ये होमवर्क करके आएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ होमवर्क करके आएंगे पक्का.
यार मेरे हिसाब से I want to actually go back and see Santner's bowling. I feel like he held back. He didn't reveal all his tricks because it was a dead rubber kind of game. 3 wickets, yeah. Game changer, broke the back of the South African team. And matlab Klaasen and all, yeah. Matlab all these guys are really good. Miller, Klaasen, Captain Tavumba, all looking good.
Yeah.
But somehow this Santner just spooked them, yeah. Completely spooked them. And for me, I think Santner is going to be the key. Just like for us, Varun Chakravarti will be important.
So now next up joining us is Deval from Mumbai. Deval is a content creator. He's an aspiring commentator, anchor, and he wants to work in the cricket field. मैंने इनके साथ थोड़ी बातचीत भी करी हुई है बॉम्बे में. Do you have any question for us, my friend? Do you want to know something before the final?
Question मेरा यही कि अगर बाई चांस अगर रोहित शर्मा लकी रहे और टॉस जीत गए, तो वही कि क्या कर सकते हैं रोहित शर्मा की आउट ऑफ 4 मैचेस 3 हम लोग चेस करते जीते हैं, और एक जो न्यूजीलैंड के सामने ही हुआ था उसमें हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट बैटिंग की थी. तो अगर रोहित शर्मा के लक अच्छे रहे और टॉस जीत गए, तो क्या लगता है क्या इंडिया शायद चेस करेगी या फिर पहले बैटिंग करेगी?
Firstly, before Amitoj answers, and then of course I'll come into it. जो ये लोग टॉस वॉस पे कहते हैं ना, don't take it too hard. Firstly, don't take it too hard. मैं इस दुनिया में बहुत रह चुका हूँ, because they also understand the power of the medium. तो मतलब ये बोलने के लिए कि मैं ये करना चाहता था, ये नहीं कर पाया, they don't want to give anything away. Trust me. They don't want to give anything away. So exactly अगर हम लोग इस फील्ड पे काम कर रहे हैं 10-15 साल से, तो ये लोग उस तरफ से बातें कर रहे हैं और हमारे जैसों के सवाल ले रहे हैं 15-20 साल से, तो वो कहीं ना वो समझ गए इस मीडियम को कैसे हमने यूज करना है. तो समटाइम्स जो बंदा कैमरे पे बोलता है ना, जस्ट टेक इट विद 50-50 पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. के साथ लिया करो. रही बात टॉस की पाजी, I would say the confidence I've got from this team and the fact that you're playing in that place only where you've been playing throughout this tournament.
Yeah.
Whether you bat first, bowl first, it doesn't make me any difference. With all due
I
respect.
still have to answer the question. I agree with you, but the question is still to be answered.
yeah, okay, fine. So please answer, sir.
Yes.
Kar do the answer.
Matlab, you are using the same words that Rohit Sharma used. It doesn't matter.
yeah.
But the basic point is that if we actually win the toss, and this is, remember, going to be the 15th toss that Mr. Rohit Sharma, record-breaking captain, always calling the toss wrong. If he loses this time, it'll be the 15th time. He's got a record of 14 already. So chances are that he will actually win this one. So when he does win this one, what does he do? Because he'll have to do something. This team likes chasing. They enjoy the chase. Okay. And they are confident about the chase. And they have indicated that because when they played against New Zealand, what is basically a dead rubber, they at that toss, Rohit Sharma said that, we wanted to actually bat first because we hadn't chased, and we wanted to practice we wanted to practice batting first. That's what he had said. So that's what they were happy about. But now I think, given that it is their favored position to chase, there's actually going to be a lot of thinking behind what to do.
But it also depends
because in a final you should bat first.
यार ये पुरानी कहावतें हैं भाई. फाइनल में आपको पहले बल्लेबाजी करो, प्रेशर ना फील करो. भाई यार एक बात बताओ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि देखो ये सब चीजें ना, they are applied to teams who get to a final after a period of 4-5 years. You understand? So you reached the top of the mountain after so long. You're talking about a team that has been contesting in finals for the last 2-3 years, wherever they are playing. So that age old वो जो पुरानी कहानी होती है ना कि जी पहले स्कोर लगा दो ताकि उसके बाद फिर प्रेशर ना आपको आए, यार ये छोड़ दो. I agree with what you said right in the beginning. Win toss, bowl first. Sir, win toss, bowl first, 40 over spin, डालो उनके सामने, and then chase whatever you want to chase down.
I mean, look, you who do you want to count on? Do you want to count on your batting, or do you want to count on your 40 over bowlers,
Both.
spinners?
Both.
Right. So therefore, it doesn't matter, right? But
exactly, you have both these skills working for you solidly.
So what does it come down to? It comes down to psychological impact. Okay, yaar, we chose to bat and now we are in a worse situation, or we chose to bowl and now we are in a worse situation. It really comes down to that. And what are they comfortable with doing psychologically? They should do that. And obviously, we're not in the dressing room, so we don't know. But if you're asking me, the guy I want to bank on, because there's another mindset that I like about this Indian team, right? Traditionally speaking, in a final, you do bat first. But the actual thing that I think about this team is that Hardik Pandya, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, Virat Kohli, they like the chase. They want to go out there and win.
And they like going deep. They like going deep in the chase.
They like to be able to, have the fielders run onto the field when you won a tournament, rather than the other way around when all are in the field and you've got a wicket. They prefer the idea of having the perfect chase, and Virat Kohli, just the hunger of that. See, if I was a captain, if I was Rohit Sharma, I'd say, yeah, the best guy for us is Virat Kohli in a chase. And this is a final. He has an average of 90. I'm going to chase. We're going to bank on this guy. Okay, he likes chasing. He doesn't really care about us when we bat first. Somehow he doesn't get runs. So I'd rather chase. That's the way I'd think about it.
Deval, what do you think, मेरे भाई?
मैं तो चाहता हूँ टॉस हार ही जाए, टेंशन नहीं, जो आएगा सीधा.
यही क्या था भाई. यहाँ पे हमने इतने ज्ञान बांटे हैं, पूरी हमने यहाँ पे थ्योरी लगा दी कि भाई टॉस जीतेगा, 15 बार टॉस जीतेगा फाइनली. आपने कहा मैं तो कहता हूँ हार ही जाए. यही क्या मतलब है भाई?
अपना ही क्वेश्चन हटा दिया.
नहीं, फिर तो मतलब टॉस अगर आता है तो फिर चेज आना चाहिए हाथ में, बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 4 मैचेस वी हैव won by chasing.
भगवान कसम, क्या प्रोग्राम दिखा दिया तूने. सच कहूं, जिंदगी में 2 बार खुश हुआ. एक दिन जब देश को आजादी मिली थी, और एक दिन आज जब मेरे
This is okay. ये वाला समझ में आया. चलो.
I like this one. Although I'm not sure Govinda. Actually, Varun Chakravarti does look a little bit like Govinda in the younger days. I have to say, hairstyle is similar. देखा जाए. I'm just
first ball, यार. First ball, that too. Just imagine. You're trying to put pressure on the guy. कि जी तू आया है, मैं तेरे को यही पहले बॉल पे मारूंगा और तेरे को बैकफुट पे करने वाला हूँ. फर्स्ट बॉल पे लेके यार. फर्स्ट बॉल ही जबरदस्त. शार्दुल मेरे भाई, आप दूसरी बार ये हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हो. सबसे पहले ये बताओ, आपका सर्विस प्रोवाइडर कौन है?
जियो, रिलायंस.
कुछ नहीं कह सकते भाई.
Okay, let's move on. अच्छा मेरे भाई बताओ क्या क्या लग रहा है आपको फाइनल में?
नहीं,
आप बता रहे थे अब
फाइनल तो इंडिया ही जीतेगा,
and
पर मैंने
your service provider is beautiful. I think they're doing a wonderful job. I think you should carry on talking about the final now. Yes.
मेरी बहन भी जियो में ही काम करती है, तो मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता घर में।
सही मत बोलना मेरे भाई, निकाल देंगे। बताओ फाइनल में क्या लग रहा है आपको, क्या होने वाला है?
नहीं, जीतेगा तो इंडिया ही, पर थोड़ा टफ जाएगा ऐसा लग रहा है।
क्यों टफ जाएगा?
देखो बहुत साल से न्यूजीलैंड जीता नहीं आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट, तो ऐसे इजीली तो नहीं ले गए वो भी। और मेरा आपसे अब दोनों से एक सवाल है।
बताओ।
वो जब हम इंडिया फाइनल जब भी खेलती है, तब पिच के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा बातें होती है फाइनल से पहले।
यार ये हर खेल में होती है यार, मैंने देखा है पूरे खेल में पिच के बारे में बहुत बात होती है।
खेलता है तब ज्यादा होती है ऐसा लगता है। 2023 का WTC, अभी वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल, फिर 2027 का चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी फाइनल तब भी हुआ था। तो जैसे रवि शास्त्री बोलते हैं, पिच को निकालो और 10 विकेट लो, या फिर जितना रन आया चेस कर दो।
हाँ, तो फिर क्या आप पूछना क्या चाह रहे हो कि पिच की बात होगी नहीं होगी?
पिच की बात क्यों हो रही है इतना इंडिया के वक्त ही?
वो तो आप ही कर रहे हो, और कौन कर रहा है?
नहीं, बहुत हो रही है ना, हम एक ही जगह पर खेल रहे हैं, ऐसा हो रहा है ना अभी।
नहीं, एक सेकंड
बताओ 10
प्रश्नों को ठीक से, दो पत्रकार हैं यहाँ पे। Ask the question in the right way. The question is not about the pitch. The question is about the fact that one team has played all its matches in one city, okay, and has not
in
got
one
to
stadium.
In one stadium, one city, one training center, one hotel. They have not had to pack and move like other teams, and that is the advantage. The advantage isn't about the pitch. The pitch has changed in the square, which has 6 pitches. 6 or 7 pitches actually,
and now that you'll have a 3-4 day gap, it'll be fresher. It'll be
fresher, and we're not sure. I mean, I don't know personally, but we do assume that it's going to be an entirely fresh pitch. One of the strips has not been used yet, one of the central strips, and that strip will be used for this final. Even in the semi-final, there was a fresh pitch that India had not played on. All right.
Yes.
गौतम गंभीर का बड़ा अच्छा सवाल है, बड़ा अच्छा आंसर था इस पे।
You saw the press conference?
I saw the
it looked like he had come prepared.
No, he had not come prepared.
कोई पूछेगा मैं बंदूक निकाल दूंगा तेरे पे क्यों?
बंदूक क्या मतलब full surgical strike.
Bhai, I'm sorry, but I didn't kind of buy into that kind of a pre-see. I'm sorry. With all due respect. So see, आप बंदूक निकाल रहे हो on a day when you reach the final.
We'll discuss this
निकालो ना जब आप पीटे गए हो.
We'll discuss his PC, but let's first answer what he said about this thing about the home advantage that India has supposedly got, which is a disproportionate advantage to India, and no other side is it, right? What he's saying is, I don't understand what this is about. We have not even actually practiced inside the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. We have been practicing in the ICC Academy like every other team. So I don't know what they are talking about, but that is what is known in journalism as a false equivalence.
Advantage India को।
क्या कह रहा हूँ शार्दुल, suppose let's imagine
अभी भी है यार,
you're getting the chance to ask Gautam Gambhir a question before the final. क्या पूछोगे आप?
नहीं, पिच के बारे में तो नहीं पूछूंगा, केएल राहुल की बैटिंग पोजीशन के बारे में पूछूंगा, जो उन्होंने कल बोला था।
But tell me something. I get where you're coming from.
नहीं क्या प्रश्न
क्या है? But नहीं कि आपने उसको नीचे इतना बल्लेबाजी करवा रहे हो, but जो चाल उन्होंने चली है, don't you think it's working for the team? See, forget individual. Isn't it working for the team? Simple.
It is working for the team. For what about the individual? He's not getting enough chances on that. KL Rahul.
No, but that's exactly what he answered, Gautam. Gautam exactly answered that. He said it's not about individuals, it's about a team. You will play where you are required to play. And every player has to come with that attitude. And that should be the attitude of every team. And that was different.
I kind of agree with that.
Past and what Australia was and New Zealand have been.
Right. But my point is, in that place, Rishabh Pant is more effective than KL Rahul on number 6.
No, not consistently, bhai. At that, भाई 6 नंबर पे ऐसा कंसिस्टेंसी वाला बंदा अगर आपको मिल गया, and KL Rahul के साथ ना एक गलत फहमी है, भाई KL Rahul can switch it on, right? He can switch it on. He can suddenly go from 80 to 120 strike rate. He can go to 140 strike rate if need be.
Yeah. and he does it in a way in which he's wearing an invisibility cloak.
Yeah, कटाक, but ये है उसका, ये फटाक चुल
He's not letting you know ना that he's taking a guard, he's gone to the wide position and he's like मैं तो reverse sweep ही करूंगा, तू कर ले जो करना है. He's not letting you know about the
आपको
attack.
क्या लगता है ऋषभ पंत को आना चाहिए उस पोजीशन पे?
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं चेंज होगा, फाइनल में चेंज तो नहीं होगा अभी. इंडिया विल प्ले द सेम टीम, बट ऐसा लगता है कि ऋषभ पंत खेलने चाहिए बाद में, आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के बाद मौका मिलना चाहिए.
नहीं मौका तो मिलना चाहिए, मौका तो पाकिस्तान को भी मिलना चाहिए, पर पॉइंट ये है पॉइंट ये
उन्होंने ड्रॉप कर दिया भाई बाबर आजम रिजवान को. यार हद्दी होगी, वहां पे हो क्या है भाई?
सी इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Akshar Patel is also an underrated player, just like KL Rahul is. Okay, and just because Rishabh Pant is a fancy player who's electrifying for the crowd, people have given him undue weightage compared to these two, right? Bottom line is that when you have a Rohit, you have a Hardik, and to some extent you have a Jaddu, you have people who just come and go for it, right? That's their style of playing. You can't have another Rishabh Pant in that and have like a lopsided balanced team where there are not enough people who are actually going to just stay and adjust to the game and not going to be like, I'm going to play the way I play. You know, you need that, right? So now that's the first question. KL Rahul or Rishabh Pant? Rishabh Pant is perhaps better suited for T20s. Okay, fine. Because you have shorter time, you can take that risk. But at the same time, Akshar Patel bacha. Akshar Patel has, he has so many times proven what he can do with the bat, and we have never given him a chance.
नहीं अब मिल रहे हैं सर, अब मिल रहे हैं बहुत.
Now he's getting a chance, and that is a well-deserved chance. Yeah. And look at his domestic record. By the way, Jaddu can do what Akshar can do. If you switch the roles, that also works.
Not so much. I think Akshar is ahead of him with the bat, I feel.
Oh, fair enough, but maybe now he's a bit older, so maybe things are different. But there was a time when Jaddu had dominated Ranji Trophy, 100 by 100. But now it's different. So Gautam Gambhir in his press conference said, we are going to back Akshar, and I'm not going to budge on that. He made it very clear.
मैं सीरियस हो जाऊंगा, डांट दूंगा बहुत कस के. वहां छूट कैसे रहा यार प्रयास मैच के अंदर?
देखा कुलदीप यादव ड्रॉप हो सकता है, बता रहा हूं तुम्हें. हाँ.
नहीं होगा यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
अरे भाई नहीं होगा. I agree. We are on the same pages. Relaxes. But bottom line is that if there is a guy who can potentially be dropped,
Harshit Rana, seriously,
that's not the point, yaar. The point is that there is only one guy who can be dropped if something happens. Anyway,
you're not getting dropped.
Question wise, nothing much. I had the question that
are you worried? Are you at all worried? As all I'm saying, I'm going to ask you that.
No, I am not at all worried. If India played to their potential, not even to their potential, even if India plays 80% of their potential, India will easily win this final.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure, go on.
What if Apoor would have said no right now?
Then I would have said, I'll ask Arjun the question. But the question is very simple. Assuming India wins, should Rohit Sharma retire from cricket?
Yes.
Or at least ODI cricket?
I guess he should retire.
Good question.
Yeah, I'll give you the reason. Okay. So if Rohit Sharma retires, then who replaces him? It will be Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Yes.
Yashasvi Jaiswal. And Yashasvi Jaiswal's best format right now is one-day cricket, list-day cricket. If you go and watch his record, it would be something around 60s. He's scoring runs by 60s average and stacking about somewhere around 95. And if you think, I often think if India had won the World Cup on 19th of November, I used to think that would be the last game Rohit plays. मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि Rohit will go to the 27 World Cup because he wants to win that World Cup.
Really? भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो यार अपूर? I love my brother. I have deep respect for you for the way you're speaking.
And you love.
I feel like cutting your Wi-Fi connection right now. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
क्यों?
नहीं भाई कहाँ से यार आप लोग यार एक मिनट यार 2027 4 दिन की बात नहीं है सर 2027 2 साल दूर है 2 साल से ज्यादा
No Arjun, this is not me saying, this is what I think Rohit Sharma is thinking right now. he actually wants to win that World Cup. मेरी अगर आप मानोगे ना तो if I was the selector or if I was the coach of Indian team, I would have asked Rohit Sharma. I would have sat with him after the 23 World Cup final because I always thought if we are already dealing Jaiswal's entry into ODI cricket.
Good point.
अगर आप
Okay.
मुझसे पूछो,
So your basic point is that Rohit should, but he won't. Correct?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very
I think he'll
interesting.
retire, bhai. I think he'll retire.
I think there's a possibility. There is
I think he'll
certainly a
retire.
possibility.
If you
Yeah.
no,
By the
win or
way,
lose,
अभी आप
win or lose, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ, win or lose, he'll retire. I feel.
Possible है.
बाय द वे अभी जब आप सबसे क्वेश्चंस ले रहे थे, मुशफिक और रहीम भी रिटायर हो गया ओडीआई से.
Oh,
क्या बात कर रहे हो? मुश्फी?
Mushfi is
या
यार. Oh.
एक
The
दिन में
first,
दो
you know,
बड़े लेजेंड्स रिटायर हो
my
गए.
first thought goes to that 2016 T20 World Cup semis. कौन सा था वो? क्वार्टर फाइनल.
quarter final.
लीग मैच था.
नहीं क्वार्टर फाइनल लीग मैच था. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Close हो
पहली
गया था
मैच
ना इंडिया के
MS धोनी
साथ.
ने. हाँ.
बैंगलोर
MS
वाला
धोनी ने
ना?
किया था वो वाला.
हाँ, दैट वाज अ लीग मैच.
अरे भाई साहब.
क्वार्टर फाइनल तो फिर एक उनसे हुआ था, वर्चुअल क्वार्टर फाइनल. इट वाज इन मोहाली, ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
भाईजान फाइनल तो होने देते हैं इधर. अब लोन कैसे बनेगा नजर. यार ये.
So mean, यार. So mean.
यार
How can
listen
you be
भाई.
so mean?
See, देखो जो बंदा डाउन होता है ना उस पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए आइडली.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
का मजाक
नहीं.
नहीं होना चाहिए. But this is just goes beyond that. I'm sorry, yeah. This just some of it is just like you want to say it's not nice, but you're still laughing at it. It's that kind of stuff.
Yeah. These guys are very bad. Yeah. These mean people are very bad. Very bad.
Very bad. Very bad.